Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to install your popular applications to your Android TV without Google Play Store. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock a secret Play Store on your Android TV that you can use to download and install your most popular Android TVs. So follow attentively and watch the video right up to the end. So what you have to do, go over to Android TV and then go over to the application called Downloader. Now what I'm showing you in Downloader can also work in any browser. So I'm going to use Downloader as a browser. So if you have any other browser, you can follow this on it or you can use Downloader. If you want to use Downloader, check the description of this video. I have attached a link that is going to guide you on installing Downloader to your Android TV. So just go ahead and follow the link in the description of this video, install Downloader and then go ahead and launch it. Now, Downloader helps use as a browser. You can use Downloader as a browser and can use Downloader with codes. We just have to go ahead and type in a code and then go ahead and install the applications. So once you go over to Downloader, just go ahead and type in this. So you type in Doc Squiffy. So this is Doc Squiffy on YouTube. You can check them out on YouTube. And I just want to give a shout out to them for this beautiful website that they've created and given us. So I want you to search Doc Squiffy while trying to go to their website. So it's just going to launch on my Android TV using my browser. Just give it a moment. So here is it. You're going to see the result page and please follow attentively. Once you're here, here's the YouTube channel and click and check the YouTube channel. Also subscribe. But for this video, we're interested in their website. So their website is this first option. So we're going to go over here, click on this. So on their website, they have built a page that is possible for you to install the most popular Android TV applications. So just go over to their website. Here's how it's going to look like and click on this option that says downloads. So go over here, click downloads. So this download option has applications that have been uploaded to this website that you can download and install to your Android TV. So just click on download and here is the page. Please, if you find this video helpful, like, subscribe to the YouTube channel. So shout out to the Doc Squiffy team and himself for this beautiful option where you can install most applications that you want on your Android TV. So once you go to the download options, here are all the applications that are here that you can download. It's just like a mini Play Store or a mini App Store. They can install the application that you want to your Android TV. All of these are Android TV applications. So you can just scroll through them and search if the application you're interested in is all here. So there are many applications, there are streaming websites, there are media players, there are VPNs, there are lots of them. So just try anyone. And also if you want come out with an application that want to install, all you have to do is click on it once and the application is going to be installed. Now some of these applications might be limited to your geographical area or in your country, they might not be available in your area. What you have to do in such a situation is just for you to use VPN. So go over to the description of this video. I've attached two VPNs I can choose to install and subscribe. Once you subscribe to this VPN, you can install any of the applications in this Doc Squiffy website without any limitations. So if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like